another package. Alright, let me leave. There we go.
Oh, I heard my package is here. Alright. Alright, let's see. Bro. Why is my package so deformed, bro? Oh, nah. Oh, nah, I'm calling Amazon. Hey! Hey, Amazon!
What's up, my brother?
Bro, why did you send me this deformed package, bro?
That's Amazon's company policy. You asked for us to deliver it same day delivery. You made us work 2 months. That's what you get.
Oh, nah, I'm about to come over there. Look at my...
I gotta make another package.
Amazon!
Huh?
You sent me that deformed package.
Oh!
You son